Hi folks, Sister McMurray here. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to go over week 2 for you, lessons 3 and 4. So here are the things that we have due for lesson 3, due on Wednesday. Chapter 3 reading quiz, then we have the decision tree and the Campbell Interest and Skills Survey. That's a 2-page paper you need to start early. Then we have the career research assignment for lesson 4. It's not due in lesson 4, but you have to start it. So we give you some time to start that paper. It's the biggest assignment of the semester. And we want you to start thinking about it. Then we have, you need to report on the career that you've chosen. Some people choose careers that don't quite work, and so I'd like to give feedback on what you're choosing so that you can make sure that your career research assignment fits and that you're researching things in a way that's going to be helpful. And then there's the weekly self-assessment quiz. So actually, next week is a pretty light week. Let me show you a little bit more about what's due in lesson 3. So if you come here, here's week 2, lesson 3. And we've got the lesson introduction, read about career exploration, and then here's a chapter 3 quiz. The Campbell Interest and Skills Survey is a survey that you have to take. It costs $14 or $15. You need to contact the Career Discovery Center. In order to get it, you have to contact them. They'll charge your student account, and then they'll send you the information to log on and take it. But it can't be done last minute, right? So if you try to do it Wednesday night, it's too late because they're closed. And even Wednesday afternoon, it's a little iffy on if you'll be able to get it. Then after you take it, there are a couple videos you need to watch on how to take it and how to interpret it. You need to write a 2-page paper, and it needs to be 2 full pages. But here is your interpret your Campbell Interest and Skill Survey. There's a rubric that goes along with it, but it needs to be 2 full pages and you need to follow the rubric. Then we have the decision tree for psychology students. Basically here is a bunch of questions that branch off, and you go through this and you answer yes or no. I do not want you to write all the yeses and nos. I don't need you to copy this down and highlight which answer you made. What I need you to do is come to the bottom and do step 2. Submit a short report, like 1 or 2 paragraphs, that identify the career or graduate program options that you may want to explore. Include any other actions you want to take, like if you need to go see a career counselor, or improving like your GPA, whatever you need to do. Please don't list all your yes or no answers. This brief report should merely contain your conclusions. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Have a great week. Bye.